Welcome all respected participants for this post-market session. I am K.S. Anand. First of all, yesterday due to some unforeseen circumstances, I was not able to conduct the session, due to which I have also come across some interest shown by our clubhouse room members and the confidence which they are having in our session. I have received more than some 12 to 14 phone calls regarding this yesterday itself. And I came to know that yesterday I came to know from the conversation which I had from them, some investors, participants are holding some positions also on the back of the messages which we have shared in this room. And they have asked some suggestions regarding this. Here one information just I want to share. If anybody is holding anything on the back of the messages which we are discussing in this forum, better with my knowledge if anything done, so that I can track. Because yesterday I came to know that some long back which we have discussed in this session seems they are holding. I have got some update, I have come across some updates regarding this as per the timely decisions, as per the timely situations. In some positions I have given already profit booking. Seems those positions somebody's are holding as per the conversations which I had yesterday. So if anything done with my knowledge means it may be best for tracking purpose, or else have some concentration regarding this. Just I want to share this message with this forum. Okay, let us go to the session. The day before yesterday when we discussed about the Nifty, we have given some Nifty range for few sessions between 16,800 and 17,250 as resistance. Yesterday, as I did not have the session yesterday, just I little bit I'm explaining about the yesterday. The market has gone more than this 17,260 levels Nifty, but I have given some suggestions. Whenever the Nifty is trying to cross this 17,260, we can go for using sell on rise method. The day before yesterday, I have given some suggestions. By the time it has crossed 17,260 yesterday, very tremendous selling pressure has come downside, but still our support which I have given some suggestion to be 16,800 above, strong support. As of yesterday and as of today, this support still looks holding. So still we are in right track as of the Nifty. Today the Nifty, after touching some low of 17,064 and after touching some high of 17,213, it has closed 183 points upside near 17,166 levels. We have given some resistance to be 17,260 levels. So safe the Nifty is still holding within this. And also the 16,800 in the last 2 days has not breached anything. Mostly today's session, metals to some extent, some banks has also performed well, which has kept the market in uptrend. Today, why the market has tremendously come upside? Some bunch of data which our Indian government has released. Yesterday, the GDP data which released seems to be surpassed near pre-pandemic levels. And today, the manufacturing PMI data, which was 55.9 in October, seems to be in November at a 10-month high of 57.6. So these two data, of course, giving some healthy industrial activities. Along with this, the GST collection seems to be the second highest, to be 1.3 lakh crore. This is also giving some indirect meaning of some positivity in our industrial activities. Together, slashing of VAT tax by Delhi government for petroleum and diesel, etc., up to some 19.40 percentage. Along with this, some positive messages accompanied with this decreasing petrol price values. Today, most of the auto sector related stocks has given some reasonable positive monthly auto sales report. Except TVS, most of the companies has given some healthy auto sales numbers. So to some extent, the auto sector has also performed today well. As of the bank nifty, the day before yesterday when we discussed about the bank nifty, we have given some range, that is 35,280 as support and 36,280 as resistance. We can expect the bank nifty for next few sessions. We have discussed the day before yesterday session. Still within this range, the bank nifty has performed even today also with a support of 35,805. To some extent yesterday it has come upside. Today low 35,805 and high 36,445, but closed near 670 point upside with 36,365 levels for bank nifty. I have given the resistance to be 36,280. Today closed near 36,365 levels. Some messages point of view. Adani Port likely to start some copper smelter and solar panel manufacturing units at Mundra Port. It is giving some messages, some agreements in this related soon expected. This step by the Adani Port seems to be to capitalize the manufacturing linked PLI scheme in this segment. So the participants can have a note of and a track of this message. Tomorrow, this telecom related OTSC, one time spectrum charges related issue, the hearing is coming before the Supreme Court. In the last hearing itself, some verdict has been announced, has been expected, but not. The hearing has been postponed for December 2. In connection with this related issue, the telecom department seems to be in favor of the telecom companies. But whether it is accepted by the Supreme Court or whether the Supreme Court is taking any other different stance in this connection, it is to be seen, or whether once again the hearing anything likely to be postponed, etc., it is to be seen by tomorrow. In case if anything finalization if goes, nearly 40,000 crore rupees may be saved by the telecom companies together. So some positivities we can expect as per the verdict given by the court in this related. So tomorrow the telecom companies may be in watchful. Tata Power announcing some agreements that Tata Power Solar Systems, one of the subsidiary of this Tata Power, seems to have received a letter of award from the Solar Energy Corporation of India to build 100 megawatt EPC solar project. Seems to be the investing amount to be nearly 945 crore dealing. So some developments are taking place in this related in Tata Power. Of course, this is morning message. I have alerted my HNI clients in this regard, but now only as a little bit late I am sharing this message in this forum. Biocon has got some positive sentiment that it has been selected to be in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index in the emerging markets category. Usually, any company which are functioning satisfied from the ESG related aspects, ESG related issues. So as this Biocon has been inducted in this Dow Jones Sustainability Index, it gives some indirect certificate regarding this ESG related issues for this Biocon. So it may give some positive sentiment for this company Biocon. In the last 1 or 2 days, some observations, some messages, if we collect, in the last few days, on the back of this Omicron related development, most of the hospitality sectors, hotel related sectors has been hammered. It is well known for all, but some observations reveals some messages that during this falling, some hotels related stocks, the stake has been raised significantly by the promoters itself. I can name some few, but as I told, some investors are entering and exiting in some unwanted levels. Sometimes it gives me some inconvenience. So just generally, I'm sharing some messages. So watching the hotels related sectors, accumulating hotels related sectors may be somewhat best useful in near future. Some developments are taking place specifically in this related sector. Can have a watch regarding this. How the market further we can expect? So two things, two informations. The first one, I have given some messages why the market has shooted today. The positive GDP numbers, manufacturing PMI numbers, GST highest second collection, etc. But along with this, those who have been watching some messages, they could have got some smell yesterday itself that market is likely to go upside. Yesterday in the parliament session, our respected finance minister has given some messages regarding these regulations to be done in connection with the crypto. The reason why our market has been hammered in the last 1 week, the crypto related expected awaited regulations could also be one reason. So anything development from this related, crypto related, may also be influencing in near term. So in the yesterday's session, our respected finance minister has given some messages that this issue is to be discussed in serious and the ministry level nod is to be obtained. So first it has to be obtained the ministry level nod for this, and then it may be placed in the session. Something like this it has been expected. So it means it may take a while for tabling this in the parliament session. So in this gap, the market is trying to go upside. This is the point where I want to focus. Along with this, regarding this Omicron related, also some messages has been given by the government of India that resumption of December 15 scheduled commercial flights operations likely postponed. It may sure invite some supply chain disruptions on the back of this Omicron related development. If we overall go for a collection of how much FIs has gone for selling, today also if we check the data, FIs seems to have sold near 2,765 crore rupees. But one positive message we should recollect it here, that yesterday and today our domestic institutions are stepping up with the purchase more than what has been sold by the FIs. So this one could be one reason why the market has started to go upside today. So on the back of this FIs selling, overall in the year to date, the amount by which this FIs money has been sold, investment has been sold, if we recollect, year to date, as per the NSDL website messages, nearly 7 billion rupees of outflow has been taken by the FIs so far. Regarding this Omicron, some research data like Observer Research Foundation, etc., regarding this crypto related, just I am telling. It is giving some messages that banning crypto may not be anything wise, but instead regulating the so and so crypto may be little bit useful. So it means two things I want to focus here. One thing, as of now, this Omicron related talks are little bit postponed. How this is getting further development, how far any Indians are getting contracted for coming out of these related messages, it may take few more days time. And how this crypto is going to be handled, this bill is going to be handled in Parliament. Regarding this also, it may get some more little bit of time. So in this gap, the market may be trying to go upside. This is my point where I want to arrive. So altogether, we can expect some positivity in trading for next few sessions, I am telling, not overall I am telling. The Nifty we can expect, already we have been discussing 16,800 support and 17,260 as resistance. The Nifty may be spending few more sessions in this same area. As of Bank Nifty, already we have discussed that 36,280 seems to be the resistance, but the way how it has raised it today, it seems that some bank constituents are taking place in the uptrend. So slightly we have to raise the slab of Bank Nifty range. 35,780 as support and 36,780 as resistance. In a wide range of some 1,000 points, we can expect the Bank Nifty to trade for next few sessions. But we should not forget that once again market will come under selling pressure. So trading the Nifty and Bank Nifty around this resistance level with sell on rise method may be best useful. I have indicated in the last one or two sessions, buy on dips around 16,800 Nifty support level may be useful. So those who have done this, followed this in yesterday morning, they could have got some smart profit in uptrend today. So our market is still vulnerable, but market is likely to trade with a slight positive bias. Best advisable to exit some high valued long positions by using the current small uptrend. The same share prices may be available in after next few sessions still with some low level. This is my personal suggestions only. As of the Star Health IPO, as day 2, it seems that it has received so far only some 20% of the subscription. The day before yesterday, we have a little bit discussed the price wise, the valuation wise, it is not reasonably supporting. This one could be one reason. And also regarding this insurance related space, we have a little bit discussed on the situation of this Omicron related timely situation. It is expected that the claims may also be raised in the insurance sector from the insurance players. So the current situation seems to be not much healthy for insurance players. So this one could be somewhat reason for this Star Health. As of now, not much welcome has been given by the investors regarding this Star Health. We can expect some muted response by the subscribers as well as some muted listing we can expect on the day of getting listed. Just some positive things we have discussed already, combined with some negative things also the day before yesterday. Can have a note of this. One announcement just I want to make here. As I am holding some HNI claims, I am not able to properly track this clubhouse session. Anyhow, I have decided to continue for a while. At the same time, those yesterday specifically, some clubhouse members, participants has requested me to place the same messages in the YouTube channel also. So it has been decided to give the same details parallelly in the YouTube also. So those who have missed this channel, they can come to YouTube channel. My YouTube channel link has been given in my Instagram profile, or in the YouTube channel with the same name, KS Anand, ANAND. If type written, my YouTube channel may be opening. In this YouTube channel, another, just for some information purpose, one more gentleman is also there with this same name, but he seems to be one doctor. My YouTube channel will be with the headline post-market reports like this. So for some searching purpose, I'm sharing this. So from today, those who are missing, and even from tomorrow onwards continuously, whatever we are discussing in the clubhouse will be available in the YouTube channel also. That link has been given in my Instagram profile, or search it with KS Anand. You can make use of the same thing. So thanks for all for listening this session. Any further update by tomorrow this same time, this same session, let me try to update. Thanks for all. Let us end the room.